everyone. Today is October 10. It's Water's birthday today, and now we are here in Jordan having a Korean and Japanese barbecue buffet. Ayan. We're eating barbecue today. Hi Wati, happy birthday. So ito na naman po kaming tatlo. Hi Rona. Hi. Ayan. Hi, I'm here. Ayan. We start to cook our food now. So kain po tayo.
You mean until 3:30 mo man dito? Because you mean one.
Oh. Wati said we will stay here until 3:30. How can we eat all those food?
Tom yum.
Matagal pong magluto. Kaya kung gutom ka na, kumuha ka na lang ng luto doon. Still cooking. I forgot to bring my tripod.
Lausan mo siyang PM. Ano yun? Ate mata check na.
You want?
No, thank you.
There's Fanny there. It's another barbecue plate. May.
Me?
Hindi wo. Aha.
Okay.
Ah, tara na. Yida. Vegetable naman.
Manang sek. Something punsin.
Hindi ka kay team ah. Yat, team, saan to lang team? Oh. Hanggang 3 o'clock daw kami dito.
Something pun mo man.
That's my food. Sunog na pork chop at chicken wings. Si Rona nagtitipid. Iwati naman. Enjoy eating, guys. Ha? They also have yummy tom yum soup, but too much spicy.
Oh. I don't know if I can finish.
I already finished grass jelly juice and the aloe vera and pineapple juice. Now taking dessert, eating dessert. Ito naman kay Rona. This one, me and Wati, the same. Yeah. Dessert time. Hindi ka rin naman makakarami.
Picture ka mo. No, hi po. Ha?
Ano yan? Part 5. Drinking beer.
Heineken on the other.
Cheers.
Cheers! Yampoy! Happy birthday!
Yampoy!
Yampoy! Ate, ne? Ne? Yampoy!
Yampoy!
Happy birthday. Yan. Because it's Wati's birthday. Bumaka umutong. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ratna. Happy birthday to you.
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ate Yu Pokpok. So, again ha?
Okay.
Finish na.
Ayan, tapos na po kami. Tapos ka na, Rona. Umiinom ng ihi ng kabayo. Meron pa. Ayan, tapos na po. Bye-bye na. Wati say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Happy birthday again. Yan. Bye. Bye.
Busog na po.
Busog na
Happy
po kami.
tummy.
May uuwing matutulog nito.
Happy tummy. Uwi tayo.
Oh.
Lashen.
Quite cheap. 138 only. Yeah. Such a nice buffet restaurant. So, okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, we're so full.